G'day guys, it's Nathan from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today we've got this van that's come in with a hot water system issue. Here's his old one on the ground here. It was a gas 240 hot water system, although the gas function has started failing. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the hot water system, as I've done already, clean up the silicone around the outside, fit a new 240 hot water system in there, and then get a licensed gas regulator man to come and remove the gas piping from the van. So it's all sealed off and can't have a gas leak. If you keep watching, you'll see how the process is done.